ate kyenjogera oba mwagala oba timukyagala kijja kukola. Tekigenda kutandikira wano wokka mu ggwanga lyonna. But I will start from home. That we have lost a number of children who are afraid to go to school because of charges in our schools. I now decree that no charges should be in our schools. With effect from today. Era nagendayo n'atuula mu nkiiko ezo tujja kumulumbako.
Tusoloza yakasente ako.
Abegesa bakuba bataakumala. Why can't government get to know that information?
Nikiye kitulete. Niyo nkuheereza eno. Right Honorable Prime Minister. Niyo information nkuheereza eno.
Because I'm here.
Yes.
Government weri. Why should you give Abazadde Rubengo?
Kyonka bwire buno mu primary tukyayendayo 245 kandi
omuseka aba abazaire bakusasula.
Anti nibo bali 245 abakugulayo.
No, but you don't need them because parents are paying.
Madam, kindly excuse me.
No, parents are paying. And for me, once the parents are paying, you are not supposed to have any staffing gap.
Tiharo somero yone kuikirizibwa kusasula sente. Nanyowe nkimanyire. Kyonka
aloborabo kimanyire as an inspector of schools. No ura abazaire bakusasula. Abana bakurugo mu masomero. Abazaire tibalina sente zokusasula. What is your take?
Honorable, we've moved a step. Kindly give me space. Bano ikaire no bayikiriza.
Naimo mu kukirora ku private zikora kusinga ito government. Titije takuwa bantu abo. Esente tukubawa nyingi. Ishezo ebi tukubibawa. Materials tukuzibawa. Titije takuwa.
I had a meeting on 1-to-1 with the First Lady.
Amasomero abana kubara genda babura sente zo kushashura abazire abana babinga amasomero.
Ate kyenjogera oba mwagala oba timukyagala kijja kukola. Tekigenda kutandikira wano wokka mu ggwanga lyonna. But I will start from home. That we have lost a number of children who are afraid to go to school because of charges in our schools. I now decree that no charges should be in our schools. With effect from today. Era nagendayo n'atuula mu nkiiko ezo tujja kumulumbako.